Good morning, good morning, everybody. We are live. What a day we have, guys, for LAAC. What a nice entry we had here around the $2.33. It hit all our profit, guys. Dan already took his profits. Really good gain, guys. Really good gains for today. Nice, nice, everybody. Yes, it was perfect pre-market, guys. As we said, today is a special day. Is a special day because we had the eclipse yesterday, and today is the 8th or the end of Ramadan. So I'm end my fasting today. And of course, was the best gift for us to have two unicorn, not just one, two unicorn, guys. I felt it in my bones, man. I felt it in my gut, that today we're gonna have a huge day. And of course, the universe give us a really good gift, guys. Once, as we said, guys, once you give, once you have this kind of energy of positivity and giving, the universe will give you more you ever imagined. So thank you guys for being here as a hunter, for liking the video, for support us since 3 years ago. And of course, we gonna go to be better, make more live streaming, make more gains, and learn every day, guys. So thank you for being here. Let's hit our live streaming. Let's wait for everybody to tune in. Let's hit the market. Dan, are you still in? HUT and Mara, I am in. Great, Dan is out. Great. For me, guys, I'm still holding again. I entered again around the $2.26. I'm gonna close this trade on the market open, so watch out, guys. This one is really risky, so I don't suggest anybody to buy now. The best entry was before the market open, of course, on our live streaming that we did on our Discord. It was better entry, guys. Let me just show you today. It was a huge day for today. Let me just show you here for this one. Today it was perfect day for us to hunt for LASE. Okay, let me know if you can hear me, everybody. Perfect. As we said, guys, this one we have another entry for it. As you can see here, current price or average price for us is around the $2.62. $2.62 for LASE or laser photonics. Laser photonics looking pretty nice for today. So laser photonics looking pretty nice for today. We had an early entry, guys. Let me just show you what we did in the pre-market. We were watching closely like a sniper for this trade for today. We said, let me just check. Yes, here. It was perfect entry, guys, for today. Look at that. We were watching a CRV and the other one a LASE. We have a support. We said the $2.33. We said the breakout will happen around the 248. Profit taking $2.80. This one 2 hours and 30 minutes before the market open, guys. Early hunt. Again, this is every day, not just one day. And guess what? We jumped from our entry until here almost 100% for this one. This one is not glitch, guys. This one we call it unicorn. That's why we jumped almost 100% for it. Let us wait everybody to tune in. No sound. Someone said no sound. Let me just check. Check. Sound check. Let me just check if there's no sound. Let me just check. No, man. There's sound. Please refresh your thing, brother. Dan, refresh your thing. Refresh. If you watch from your phone, just log out or just refresh from your laptop. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. I will put a stop loss or trailing stop for this trade, guys, around the $3.31. We have resistance now over the $3.84 for this one. Once the market open, we might have a flush down, so we'll be ready for this one to have a huge flush, guys, before the market open or on the market open. Now I have a trailing stop over the $3.30. If we held here before the market open, we might have another jump toward the 440 and the 530. This one was perfect entry here, guys. Here, just around this support. We already took our profit, and now we have another profit around this level. Right now, we're still holding another position. ACRV, we entered and exited very quickly. We said there is a resistance just around the $11. The price went down and still holding the 860. We have CLO, guys, health technology or pharmaceutical company. This one as well, we watching on the market open. Is light on volume, but doing all right, 10% right now. It's getting near the breakout zone around the $2.43. In the time being, we have to watch out this one closely, guys. This is the top gainer for today. Come on, where's the hunters? I think everybody is sleeping after the party from yesterday for the clips. I think everybody went blind or they just partying all day because it is the clips day. It is the clips day. And I think now is a bit early for the people who live in New York or Los Angeles. So let us wait for the sleepers. Let us wait for the people who were sleeping from yesterday. Yesterday party. Let me check. GameStop. AMC, nothing. Mora, nothing. Let me just go on Tesla. Ford, still okay. Ford is still okay here. CCL. We have CVNA. Nothing much. Tier Y got shorted. Hood, nothing. Tier Y, we have a trade for it yesterday, guys. We said it will be really good to buy the dip over the $2.11. We already entered and exited from this trade. We have a little profit here, 7% on this trade because we bought the dip. We bought the dip. Let me just go back and go to the top unicorn for today. Guys, this one I have to give it the badge of unicorn, to be honest. This one I have to give it the badge of unicorn. You know that unicorn is a mythical creature. If you saw one is mean, you're lucky. that you find someone or one unicorn. And but what's the special about unicorn is about a horse who have a like I don't know what's the things on the top of his head, horn or something. But this horse I think is flying. Unicorn are flying. But why unicorn, seeing a unicorn is good, but flying monkeys is kind of bad? I don't know why. Like, if you see a flying monkey, is mean a bad omen, is mean a negative thing. However, if you see a flying horse or a unicorn, it's mean you're lucky and you have fortune. Why, man? Why monkey? Is animal? Both of them are animals. I feel really bad for the monkey, man. I feel really bad for the monkey. Guys, hit the like, bring your family, bring your friends. And if you live in Arabic country or if you're Muslim, just as a reminder, tomorrow is the Eid. So happy Ramadan or happy Eid for everybody. We don't have any discrimination or anything here on our channel. Either you're Muslim or Christian, or if even if you don't have any religion, you are welcome here, guys, to our Hunter channel. Because here the number one the number one thing is love, guys. Well, so whatever religion you have, it doesn't matter for us. The most important thing is love and caring and giving. This is the solution, guys. This is the solution for all problems, either with family problems, country problems, whatever. Just loving and giving. So happy Eid for every Muslim person who watch our live streaming. And I wish all the days and the weeks and months and years full of good things and good fortune for you and for your family. Hope the universe will have listen to us, or God, or whatever uh, believe you have. So, guys, today is a special day. As we said, we have a nice over pump for two unicorn, LASE and ACRV. Both of them, we have profit for both of them. And for LASE, we already have two entry and two profit taking. This one have price average. We have price average around the 262. So we up almost 30% on this trade. We do now train stop. What does mean? Is mean we don't have to exit and ride this one toward heavens, toward the other galaxy. However, if the gravity will pull us down because we don't have energy or we don't have fuel to bypass the black hole down, this means I will get out early before this stock will go to a black hole and swallowed by the big black hole down. So I don't want to be swallowed by black hole, and I just escaped from the gravity of the black hole by ejecting myself from the spaceship and go take my profit. Anyway, guys, hit the like, hit the like. We're waiting for everybody to tune in. We're waiting everybody to tune in. Bad Monster, you are welcome, man. You are welcome. You know, guys, as we said, once you give something for someone, for your fellow human being, the universe will give you double that or even triple. So I'm kind of greedy about what the universe will give me. Because if I give you some knowledge, if I give you some good thing, even good positivity or good energy, I will give tenfold of that from the universe. because as everybody knows, the what is the law of conserve energy? I don't know who's the scientist who said this. So then, so whatever energy will never be lost, always be circulating. The same with energy with people or whatever you do, it always come back to you, man. But with this law, the law of giving, you have unlimited. It's compounding, man. It's compounding. So whatever you put in anything, you're gonna have 10x or more, and even better, not 10x, but compounding. So if you put one, you're gonna give three. You're gonna have three. If you put three, you're gonna have nine. So the more you give, the more you're gonna have. So, but I don't expect anything in return. That's why we have to just give without expecting anything. The same with the trade, guys. Once you have any trade, you don't expect the gains, but you just wait for the trade to go to your profit taking. Don't force anything, guys. This is the lesson. Um, Swing picking. This is depends on the buyer right now. As we said, we might have a flush, not a pump. So we expect a flush down. If we don't break this resistance and the market open, is mean a flush. So I'm betting for this one to hold. If we held in the pre-market before the market opened over the $3.36, there's a chance for a squeeze up. So I'm not risking anything. I'm just risking gaining more, because if I exit now and the price pump up again, I don't want to enter again around here because we might have a fake out and the price flush. So the best is to do train stop. Our train stop is around 262. Another entry here, 262. We have entry. So even if the price pulled back on us, we are 28% up. If we jumped, we'd be 60% up. So either way, either situation, we are in gain. Either we have 30% gain or 60% gain. So this is good for train stop, guys. Either the train stop, the best way for train stop is maximizing your gain and protecting your profit. Protecting your profit. Let me just check AUD very quick. AUD is there, guys. Is sleeping today. No action. We discussed it in our Discord today with LAEC before the breakout. As you can see here, we discussed LASE, where we entered around the 2.33, guys, before the market opened, before our live streaming. We discussed as well AUD. We said that 3.78 is the resistance. We didn't break it, unfortunately, because we don't have enough buyers to take us over this level. So guys, SILO, I'm still waiting for this one. Oh man, 11% and it's still jumping. Already have alert for it on our Discord for this one. And of course, we're waiting for this one to jump over the 243. We've got support. We got low float. This one, guys, low float, just 2 million. It's really, really low. That's why it jumped every time, almost 60%. You see here, we have a huge jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 jump in a span of a few months. 60% every time. So it's back 60% again if we broke the $2.43 for SILO. This one could be a unicorn who's sleeping because it's still barcoding. So I'm watching it for a squeeze and becoming a unicorn like LASE, because this one already flying away, guys. If you're not jumping or if you're not on the top of this unicorn, I'm telling you, this is already gone because we already hunted for it in the pre-market. So now it's risky to enter. If you entered with us just there because we entered here around 2.33, perfect. You could ride it because we have train stop for it. Nazim, I don't have train stop loss, but I have a train stop. Stop losses mean you're gonna lose if the price broke your support, but we have train stop. ACRV, on the other hand, is jumping again. Nice. We're still holding the $8.66 or $8.61. We have a resistance to break on the market open is the $11.05. This one could be another gain for us if we hold the current support. Dan, watch out for this one, the 987. This is the current support. Profit taken for this one. And the market open at the market open is the 12th. 1226. LASE, guys, we have to watch out three stocks for today. LASE, ACRV, and Silo. This one is the unicorn for today. That's why we have the badge for it. The badge is still here, guys. And LASE is about to squeeze before the market open, guys. This one could be the unicorn for today because the eclipse happened yesterday, and this could be the eclipse for the market today. And this one could give us 200, 300, 400, 600%. Why not? Why not making 500% in one day? Why not? This is why we called a unicorn. If Warren Buffett watch our live streaming, he will say this is a glitch. This is not impossible. You have to wait for the stock to jump like this for at least 10 years. But as usual, we do those kind of trade, guys, in just one day. And of course, this one jumped almost 100%. I'm not saying this stock we could have it every day. No, this could happen once in a month or once a week, but usually we have once a day, but we don't catch it because pump and dump. But this one will be unicorn, guys. This one could be a unicorn. This one could be a unicorn. Nazim, yes, train stop. I'm gonna tell you, train stop is like the black belt for the jiu-jitsu trainee or karate is the black belt. Is like the black belt is the hardest thing to master, to be honest with you guys. The hardest thing, because usually if you don't put it at the right time or the right place, you're gonna get out early from the trade, and then the price reverse and you get angry at yourself, then you re-enter and you lose money. So putting the train stop at the right place, you need a black belt in trading. I'm not saying it's really hard, but you have to, if you want to master it, you need time. Nice, guys. Nice. This one is still jumping. LASE. This one was on our live streaming that we discussed today. 2 hours, guys. Today, as you can see here, 2 hours and 30 minutes before the market open, we discussed LASE. The price was around the $2.33. We have the entry, we said the support $2.33, and this one squeezing now around the 4, so almost 100% in span of just 2 hours. This is madness, guys. 4 hours, $4. Imagine from the $2.33 now almost $4 in 1 hour. Let me just check how much. Yes, 1 hour. 1 hour, almost 100%. 1 hour. Guys, shout out to my brother Dan, who just bought the drinks for everybody on our live stream on Patreon. So shout out to Dan. Shout out to Dan. Cheers, brother. I don't know if you still watching our live streaming or you already full for today. Good to hunt for today. Okay, let me just check here something very quick. Let me just do this. I'm gonna check how long for the market to open. We've got, I think, 5 minutes, guys. I think we've got 5 minutes on the market open. Yeah, less than 5 minutes, guys. Less than 5 minutes on the market open. So before we forget the disclaimer, everybody, the disclaimer, remember our live streaming is a bit delayed, so don't follow me blindly. Do your due diligence and let the price come to you and never run after the price. We're not financial advisor here, so always do your due diligence before you put your hard working money on the line. So let's get right to it, guys, and start our live streaming or the market for the 9th of April, the end of Ramadan. So, as a reminder, happy Eid for all the Muslims up there. And hopefully, you have a good and like a good day ahead of you. And hopefully, you don't eat a lot of sweets because I know a lot of Arabs or Muslim people eat a lot of sweets the next day. So don't try to eat too much sweets. In order to trade with us for tomorrow, we need more focus. We don't want to have hyper focus because, as everybody knows, if you think a lot is sugar, you're gonna be hyper active like cocaine. So, guys, watch out. We have 3 minutes on the market open, and now we've got LASE to watch, which we already traded on the pre-market on our live streaming on Discord, and we already have an entry. If you just woke up, everybody, remember this one we already entered for it on our Discord and Patreon just around the $2.33. And now we have the second profit taken. We'll take it on the market open because we did train stop. We said the $3.38 or 36 is the stop train stop for us. And we have, of course, the average price for LASE laser photonics around the $2.62 on the market open, and we be ready to take profit on this one just on the market open. If we held the $3.77, I'm gonna keep it, guys, because this one could give us a huge gain for today, almost 100% on this trade. Again, we said the eclipse, if it happened yesterday, so the special day is today, guys. It's special day, and it was a special day because we hunted for LASE and ACRV. So those stocks we have to watch on the market open. We have 2 minutes, guys. So hit the like, subscribe, hit the notification, share our live streaming, guys. Sharing is caring. So let's get right to it and make some money. And of course, the most important thing is never be greedy, and always remember there's opportunity in the market. So if you miss ACRV or the other stocks because you're not one of our members here on our Patreon and Discord, of course, remember there's always opportunity for the next day, the other day. Always have this kind of mentality of there is opportunity in the market, because if you don't have this, you're gonna overtrade and you feel FOMO. So let's get right to it, guys. We have 1 minute left and let's have fun. This is the only way to do it. SILO as well. I'm watching this pharmaceutical company that I saw in the pre-market. That's why we did this alert. And now it's getting near the resistance. Look at that. $2.43. It was a test for SILO, the pharmaceutical company that have light float, almost just 2 million. So there's a chance for a squeeze like before. We did almost 46% in light volume. So now it's light on volume, but the volume will pick up once we break the $2.43. We have support around the 169. We got target $2.87 and $3.35, and this will give us almost 40%. So watch out for SILO on the market open, guys. ACRV as well, and LASE, the number one stock that we have to watch because it is our unicorn for today. I have even the head of unicorn here. So let's get right to it. The market is about to open. Let's have fun and let's make some money for today. Few seconds on the market open. Let's watch this one. Come on. Few seconds, few seconds. And we've got a lift off. Come on. Market will open and we're gonna have a lift off. Boom. We got a lift off. We got this huge gain for this today. Guys, this one is one of the top gains for this month, guys, for us, LASE. And we're still holding it because this one will give us the top gain for this year even. Come on, it's jumping really like crazy and we hit the profit taken and I think I'm gonna exit right now because it's too much here. Oh, tier Y is squeezing down. Tier Y is squeezing down. This one, guys, this one is hitting the profit taking. I think I'm gonna exit, guys, for this one because it's too much here. It's getting risky, guys. It's getting really risky here. Hit the like button on the way in, guys. This one is should be it, guys, for today. Let me just check here. I think it could be it because the $4.40 is the resistance. I might exit, guys, for those for this trade because we have a really good gain for this one. So it's not good to be greedy here. So we have to exit from this trade for now and watch for other trades because we have almost 56% on this trade, guys. So it's not good to be greedy. I'm gonna exit right now. You see, got shorted here, so I'm gonna exit right now. Perfect. LASE, guys, we exited from it because short just came in around this level, around our profit taken. So I'm gonna exit or already exited from this trade. We have support around $3.90. SCRV broke the support, still low, going down a bit. Let me just go on the swing. Tier Y, whoa, tier Y, we have a test for the support and reverse. Nice. Hood, nothing. CVNA, we've got, I'm checking the stocks that might give us some gain for today. Ford might be good trade for today as well because we've got a buyer over there over the 1339. Ford could be good, guys, for today to have a little trade for it. Yes, Ford might be good for today for a swing trade. Swing trade doesn't hurt anybody. Let us have Ford as a swing trade play. Let me just check how much we could risk here. 1%. Yeah, 1% if you put 10,000 would be 100, I think. Yeah, 100. And the gain could be more. Tesla, on the other hand, nothing. We have tier Y, still risky here. Still risky. Still risky. But it looked good dip. You know what I'm gonna do, guys? I'm gonna put alert for Ford around 1338. Yes, this one will be good. 1338. Yeah, Ford could be a good swing trade here because it could run for the next week or this week if we hold the 1339. I'm giving it some time to see because the volume is a bit light for Ford at the time being. It is a bit light, but yeah, this one could risk 1% on this rate if we pull back. Whoa, yes, it's jumping. Ford is jumping right now. Nice. So Ford looking good for a swing, guys. Tier Y, okay, Hood, nothing. CCL, nothing. Ford, we have a nice jump here. Neo, 3%. Now let us go to the big play here. ACRV not good right now. It was good in the pre-market. LASE still holding. Are you kidding me? We're still holding the support. I'm not holding it, guys. This one is game over. I just exited. What the hell? Okay. 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 I always do this mistake, man. Always. 1366. Anyway, so ACRV was gonna be still holding the support. LASE still pumping. I could have done did another train stop, guys, around the $3.90. Could have been really good. Yeah, because it's still pumping this one. So LASE is the one for today, for my opinion. MDIA, on the other hand, is no good for, yeah, still holding. The current support is there. We have the other support there. So media looking all right. RVSN, we have 38% jump. RVSN, we expected the price to go toward the 256. This is the resistance. We've got a profit taken there, and there, and there. So RVSN looking interesting, guys. RVSN looking pretty nice. Yeah, we've got a nice support there over the 196. So RVSN looking all right. This is it. I think we have those. LASE is the number one to watch because it's really strong. You know what, man? Need this one to pull back. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. LASE flashing down. Nice, guys. It was better entry. It was perfect entry on the market open. We entered, we exited here with almost 50% on this trade. Okay, now we've got the support to hold for this one over the $3.40. Otherwise, we're gonna have a huge push down, guys. A huge push down for this one. ACRV still holding the support. Cello, watch out for Cello, guys. It's light on volume, 39, but the volume is picking up. Before it was 10K, now 40K. If we have 200K, will be good for a squeeze from this level. So we're gonna watch it later. If we broke the resistance around the 243. Now we're gonna have a pullback, as we said, on the market open for LASE. So now we have to switch to media because we have a resistance to break around the 475. RVSN, on the other hand, we've got a support to hold right now over the 195. If we held it, hallelujah. If we held it, we're gonna have a nice jump for this one toward the 250. RVSN 33%. Now it's pulling back a bit. ACRV. Okay, Ford is moving. Ford is moving. We need a catalyst. Let's see, Ford, what's going on? 30 minutes. Jim Cramer was upset at this hostile takeover, but they fixed the situation. About Ford. Aha, we have some news. Jim Cramer feels good about Ford as Jim company is making comeback. Ford Motor has caught attention of investors and market analysts alike with its recent stock performance, signaling potential pump up in in car sector. Yes. So Ford, guys, we might have a nice green day for Ford for this week. So watch out. We expect going back toward the 1390 and then the 1460 if we have a great day. This is it for Ford, guys. We need to have a jumper toward at least for now 1365. As we said, guys, LASE was the top gainer for today. We discussed this one before the market open. As you can see here, around the $2.33, it was an entry profit taken. We said $2.80, and even around the 4, the top target for the for LASE. This jump was on our Discord 2 hours and 30 minutes before the market open. We do this live streaming each day, guys. If you want to join, you can join us first on Patreon. Then you're gonna have access to those alerts that we do daily on our Discord. LASE, as we said, we expect a pullback more because it's overextended here. If we don't break this orange line and break the $3.40, expect a pullback big time. ACRV, we have a big buyer over the 2 or the 860. Cielo is still waiting for the 243 break. Pharmaceutical company that, as we said, low float, there is a chance for a squeeze. RVSN pulling back toward the support 195. Media is reversing. iBio, Dan asked about iBio, 2%. It's reversing from the support to 86. iBio have a big seller around the $4. $4 right now is really light on volume, man. So I don't suggest to buy this one. Is really risky for now. LASE is really dangerous, man. I'm not entering again. Not entering right now. Once again, already took mini profit for this one. First, we took profit around the 280 and the second here on the market open. So now I'm waiting for a pullback toward the 280. Other than that, I'm not entering. Media still holding. It's reversing right now. A big seller to make him cover around the 470. Yeah, 470 or even 437. Yeah, still strong. LASE. Lithium plays are heating up. No, FNGR, we didn't look at it. Yeah, media is not ready yet, but look good. Maybe looking good later after we break the 439. Now is going back. There's the $3.82 as a support is really good. If we held here, guys, would be a really good reversal. If we didn't, is mean a sell-off, and is not beautiful. We have a pullback. RVSN, this is the great reversal for RVSN that we're waiting for. 195. Nice, perfect reversal, guys. This is the by far the best reversal I haven't seen today. 195, we held and we reversed. Now, if you entered over this support, as we discussed, make sure to take a bit of profit around or below the 250. Live W, reversing as well. BPTS is kind of chunky and chubby. AUD, not today. ETAO, not today. OCGN, not today. Nikola, not today. MYMD, not today. ANGH, not today. PPTS, the same. Wave, take it from the list. Live W, not today. DTSS, not today. So, Nikola as well. So we have RVSN, media, those the stock that we have to watch. RVSN, media, LASE, ACRV, and Silo. Yes, we got just 5 guys to watch. Just 5. LASE is the strongest, but I'm not comfortable entering here, guys. I'm just saying, I'm not comfortable. I need to be comfortable to trade. Yes, you told me, Jesus, be like David Goggins and try to be under stress. No, in trading, you have to have confidence, comfort, and trust. If you don't have those, I don't recommend anybody to trade. I don't recommend, because once you enter, you'll be doubting the trade. And this is make you do crazy stuff, man. Crazy stuff is mean you're gonna lose money. Media, oh brother, this is by far the tightest reversal could happen right now. The tightest. Yes, $3.79. Are we gonna have the same reversal as RVSN? This will be good reversal for media. How everybody doing? Code in phase, how are you doing, brother? Guys, hit the like, hit the like, hit the like button on the way in. Don't forget, guys, don't forget to hit always the like to support our channel. We always go live each day, guys, 30 minutes before the market open. Always, every day. Daily, 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 daily trades. Whoa, we got MSGM. We got this one on the top gainer list. Whoa, we got TSHA. We got this one. Whoa, OBFI. Yeah, this one reversing from a huge bottom. Apple, what's going on with Apple? Oh man, Apple is hitting a bottom support. That's why you start to reverse. Gold, 2%. TSM, TSM hitting a resistance there. Amazon still pumping up. BlackBerry. BlackBerry could it be good trade? Yes, could be a really good trade here. Nice, sir. Google looking pretty nice as well. Going to Valhalla, going to all-time high Google. Lucid, not that good. SoFi, yo, SoFi, we've got something here for SoFi. Wow, RVSN looking pretty nice. Going toward the 250, guys, which is the resistance now. TRY is still dumping down. Maybe I'm gonna lower the resistance there. LASE, we're gonna have a flush, as we said, guys. The top gainer might have a big flush right now. Ford, not that good. For now, we have a big seller around this level. Great. 1353. Yeah, 1353. Let's see if we're gonna make the short cover over there. We need to make the short cover around the 1353 to have a huge green day for Ford. Let me just check. Ford is really slow, guys. Take a lot of time to do any action. Really tight, guys. Look at that. So why we have a here or Ford, we have a huge wick here. So this is just a test. If we tested once again, this is will be it. This is will be the breakout for a huge green day for Ford. And for tomorrow, of course, we're gonna have a huge green day for Ford. As long as we hold the 1339 and break the 1350. ACRV was gonna be. Okay, let me just lower the resistance around the $2.27 for RVSN. We've got a buyer or a seller around the 248, and the other one is around the 288. So yeah, big seller now around the 227. We might get rejected and pulled back. For media, the same. I will lower the resistance there for $1.35. LASE still holding the support, the $3.40. Silo pulling back. The volume is picking up, so this is a good sign. Almost 100K. As we said, we need to break the 243. ACRV, we're still holding the 861, so it's good. We have a huge reversal right now. BSGM hold it up. BSGM. Yeah, 58% for this one in just few seconds. I think we already did alert for one of our hunter here for this one. So this one gonna get rejected around the 250. 250 big rejection zone, guys. And then we might have a squeeze around the $10. But for now, we've got, yes, some support to hold on the, once the unhaltation open, we should hold over this level and that level. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna lower it there. So BSGM just came in. Yeah, the pre-market was a huge pre-market for us, brother. We already traded for LASE. We have a huge gain for this one. We already closed this trade and we expected the price to pull back on this one and the market open. That's why we close it on the market open. We took almost 50% on the second profit taking. The other it was 20. So in total, almost 70. So that's why we don't want to trade it again. Over trading is not good, guys. We got many questions here on Discord. AVX have been paying Dogecoin. RVSN launched, of course. RVSN and BCGM Elite John. BSGM, brother, if you hear me, $1.30 is support, 257 is the resistance. Profit is around the 489. No, it's too much. So this is should be the ultimate profit. Yes. So I'm gonna correct the levels. This one could reject around the $3.36 first. Then the 489, then the 666. For LASE, let me just check the other stock. BSGM already covered, and RVSN we already covered as well. We said that 227 is the resistance, profit 248, 288, as long as we hold the $1.95. Perfect, guys, perfect. Media still below the resistance. LASE still holding the support. What a crazy support. This one is still holding the support as well. $8.61. Okay, unhalted. PSGM unhalted, guys. Watch out. We're getting near resistant, John. We get near resistance. So if you already entered, make sure to take profit here around 257 because we might get rejected big time. And then we have a pullback toward at least the 165. So watch out, brother. We might have a pullback. Guys, hit the like. Why we forgetting to hit the like? It's still jumping. Want to test the 257. Okay. We might get halted. We might get halted for this one, so I'm gonna adjust the support. Oh, brother, I think it's halted again. DXYZ is hitting the scan. DXYZ is hitting the scan right now because it's got shorted. Yeah, it's got shorted big time. This is it, guys. This is it. This one is pumping like crazy. Target is getting near $3.36 and the 4, or maybe not the 4, it's really too much the 4. Yeah, the 396. So we have profit taking is coming up around the $3.36. I think we halted again now. Yeah, we're already halted. Let us check the swing trade stocks. Ford, guys, is pumping again. Watch out. Ford, it could give us a huge green day after we break the 1354. Neo is jumping as well. Jumping as well because we've got a bottom almost hit, almost the $4. Yeah, Neo started to reverse. Cello, we have a bit of green, $2.20. Pharmaceutical company with light float. As we said, this one could be a big runner later on. So sleeping. This one, we call it the sleeping giant. ACRV. It's reversing already from the $8.60. Hit the like, everybody. Hit the like. Remember, we always go live each day. Each day we going live. We do our live streaming early before the market open. We discuss RVS and HCRV and the other one LASE. Both of them already took our profit on those trades. And early hunt is good because you could watch and enter for those stocks on the pump and then you sell before the selling pressure. See guys, that's why we suggest to exit from this trade, and that's why we suggested to enter for this trade in the pre-market. The pre-market was perfect. Look at that. It was really low around the 233, and that's why we entered for this one, and we suggest to exit on the market open because of that. The selling pressure will open, we said, and now we're flushing down because we broke the support. Now we gonna have 282 reversal. This is would be perfect reversal, guys. 85, yeah, 285. So again, if you want to have early access, guys, join our Patreon. And once you join our Patreon, you can have access to our Discord for those live alert. Remember, tomorrow live streaming on our Patreon will be a bit later, 2 hours before the market open instead of 2 hours and 30 minutes for tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. Guys, hit the like. We're almost hitting the 100 likes. As we said, this is the resistance that we have to break. Oh man. Yes, it's pulling back. Media, whoa, is about to break. Media is about to break right now. Yes, this is the only one that have something with BSGM. Both of them are strong. Media, guys, breaking out. Media breaking out from the 435. Media, watch out, everybody. Still waiting for Ford, guys. We're still waiting for Ford to squeeze up. Even though we have a huge news from Kramer, said Ford is a pretty good stock to own. That's why we have almost 1% right now. And we might have the short cover around the 1354, and we're gonna have a huge jump again toward the 1393, guys. The day is the day to see Ford in the green side. Let's see the green side for Ford. Let me just check how much we can do. At least 170. Yes, 1% would be doable for today, or 2%, give or take. Whoa, media hitting the profit taking, guys. Hitting the profit taking around the 475. So if you already enter, make sure to take profit right now, guys, because we hitting the first profit taking. Swing picking, going to sleep. Happy dreams, brother. Happy dreams. Travis, Ford always do that, guys. Always sleeping, then in one day jump. Media hitting our profit taking, guys. So now it's going back exactly around our profit taking. And this one started to have a bit of weakness here. What a day, guys. What a day we have for today. What a day. Yeah, what a crazy jump. String picking. Thank you, brother. I have to buy peanut butter right now because it's almost finished. Thank you for the reminder because I really forget to buy another pack of peanut butter. Like 500 gram, I finish it in just 2 weeks. Each 2 weeks, I have to finish this peanut butter. Yeah, Mara jumping, Coinbase. Right. Let me just adjust the level here. Yeah, yeah. Kind of have a little support here. Yeah, all of them are still over the support, guys. All of them still over the support. Especially, man, for Ford, we're still waiting for a huge jump for Ford, guys. Would be pretty nice if we broke the resistance right now, would be pretty nice. We expect Ford to do 2% and even 7% for this week. Tesla start to move. We have a movement from Tesla. Yeah, time to have a pullback. Ah, Carlos, he's eating barbecue ribs. Oh man. Oh man, this is the best, by far, the best thing you ever said right now. You make me hungry, even though we ate right now good stocks. I'm still waiting for Ford, man. Tesla doing really good here. Shoot, 2% jump. Friday, Monday, then Tuesday. Anyway, now is a waiting game again. ACRV, brother, nothing much. The short seller is still shorting this one, and it's still going down. The support is to hold is the $8.60. So if you want to buy the dip, should be your stop loss. Because if we broke this, is mean it's not good for today. We're gonna flush down. If we held, we're gonna go toward the 11, 12, and 14. Really simple as that, man. For LASE, I'm still waiting for another dip. RVSN dipped again. Big seller around the 227. This one got shorted around the 280. That's why we suggest to exit. Media hit our profit taking the 470. That's why we're pulling back. CNXA. Someone said it is on the move. Yes, man. Yes, it is. Hit two profit taken, and now it's going to Valhalla. This one is going, guys. This one is going. Yes, it's moving fast. Okay, thank you, brother, for bringing this up. CNXA looking pretty healthy to me. We're gonna hunt it later, guys. For now, I will be on the sideline. RVSN is kind of getting weak here. If we broke the 195, would be really weak. Or yeah, 195. If we broke it, would be really weak for today. What a day, guys, we had today. What a day. I'm telling you guys, we've got a fun day today. As we said, it's a special day because we got the clips, and today is the end of Ramadan. So happy Eid for everybody who watching, any or for all Muslims and Arabic people who did the Ramadan. Happy Eid in advance, guys. And it was a really great day and special day. It was a really gift to finish Ramadan, actually, to get this gift, LASE, that jumped big time for today. And we did almost 70% in total. And we traded as well ACRV, the same. We took almost 10% or 20% of this trade. We traded TLY, we bought the dip because we did a trade yesterday for our elite hunters. We said, TLY guys, you could buy the dip around the $2 for a reversal. It was a great trade for our elite members. So this is the swing trade, 1 day swing trade. We only do it here for our elite members. So if you are on the disciplined hunter or king, you could upgrade your level and have live alert, which is you have access to me during the market open, market hours. What does this mean? Once we finish our live streaming here on YouTube, you could ask me any question until the market close, like where to enter, where to exit, and everything. And you can go here on the elite request. Like John always asks me about stocks like this. Yesterday asked me about Life W that jumped. The other stock he asked me about is was ATAO. Set the resistance around the 360 and jumped almost 100% in few seconds or a few minutes until the $7, hitting the $7 flush down after that. So guys, here, if you want to upgrade or even if you want to join, and of course after you join our Patreon, you have access to everything on Discord, live streaming, day trade, swing trade, crypto trades, everything we do it there, guys. So let me just put the link in the live chat section as a reminder and easy access. Let me know if you have any question, guys. If you have any question, I will be happy to answer your questions. Yes, CNXA looking pretty nice. Still waiting for this one, guys. It's jumping now, $2.27. Silo, guys, watch out. SILO jumping again. We might have the pump right now on our live streaming. Would be pretty nice to break the $2.43 and have the squeeze for Silo, the pharmaceutical company that have a light float, just 2 million. What's mean is easy squeeze. We already have an alert squeeze back in February. We might have it in April here. So we're watching SILO as well. The other stock, we're gonna do update for them later on here on our day trade or unicorn hunt, where we do daily hunt for you guys to trade the stocks, to buy the dip for them, to take profit on them, everything you want to know to have a good entry and exit for mini stocks. Because after we finish our live streaming here, everything changed technically wise. So that's why we update for other levels for entry and exit for those trade. Hit the like, everybody, hit the like button and the way in. Don't forget. RVSN broke this support. BS or BSGM still holding. Media still strong. Ford, guys, watch out. Ford is still looking good. We have a little accumulation here before another jump. I'm just saying, guys, we have a big buyer here, big buyer there. They bought the dip, and now we're waiting for the rip toward the 1390 for this week and the other week. Because we've got Jim Cramer talk about Ford. Talk about Ford. Yes, he said Ford looking good. That's why it caught attention for investors. On Monday, Kramer highlighted the recent success of Ford. Nothing stocks has been seen 10% increase this year. CNBC reported that the automotive giant has been trailing behind General Motors in performance, but is now showing a sign of strong comeback. I think Ford doing well. The stock's starting to come back. It is underperformed, but it is up 10% for the year. And I don't think that's all that bad. I do like the story, and I think that the trust has big position, and I feel very good about it. Kramer noted. This is Kramer, guys. Kramer, Kramer, Kramer. Kramer, the cream guy. Kramer, the cream guy. I call him the cream guy. Wow, Neo is still going. Neo is still going. I think we got some level to break here around the 479 first. Let's go. Let's see what's going on. 11% for Silo. Hurricane is really easy to note. Is 2 hours and 30 two hours before the pre-market open. So adjust it to your time, man. I don't know 7:30 which time, you know. I don't want to adjust to your time or my time. When you say 7:30 at my time, I don't know, Marat is maybe 2, maybe 1. So I don't want to adjust. So when I say 2 hours before the market opens, see your time and just adjust it from your time. So guys, really simple. Tomorrow live streaming, early live streaming that we do on Discord and Patreon, we always do it usually 2 hours and 30 minutes before the market open, but now it's 2 hours before the market open. So let's, for example, the market open in your time for US members around 9:30 a.m. So if you take 2 hours before 9 a.m., 8 a.m., 7:30, okay, so it's 7:30. For the people who live in Europe, if you take 2 hours from the market open, what does mean? The market open around 3:30 p.m. If you take 2 hours, it will be 1:30 p.m. So the alerts or the pre-market, you're gonna put it. We're gonna put the link tomorrow on our Discord and Patreon. So if you're not a member already, join us, guys. Join us on Patreon and Discord to have this early access. Guys, Celo is moving 13% right now. We have a movement for Celo. We have a movement. RVSN flashing. BSGM is going down. CNXA media. LASE and sell is about to squeeze. Sell. Hit the like, everybody. We almost hitting the 100 likes. Thank you for the support. Thank you for watching our live streaming. And of course, sharing is caring. So share our live streaming and any platform you like. And remember, our live streaming will be uh, uploaded automatically, and you can rewatch our live streaming. After we finish our live streaming, you can rewatch it if you like. So if you came late, you can rewatch to see other levels that we talk about in the beginning of our live streaming. Media, no, it's not over yet. Still holding the support. MSGM, on the other hand, MSGM, I think is still looking good. Yeah, 78, jumping right now. I think we've got some news dropped for this one. Yeah, we've got big resistance, man, for this one. Big resistance around the 4. So yeah, we have a huge jump, but it's getting near a major resistance. 470. We've got a nice support here to hold over the $3. MSGM, yes. It's keeping the same ticker. We have PSGM and MSGM. Wow, man, what a confusing ticker symbol. OTRK, I don't know about this one. Not no good, man, no good. CNXA, RVSN. Wow, this one got shorted. BSGM, nice. We might have a reversal right now over the 169. Oh. Man, what a trap, man. What a trap, I'm telling you. Neo is pulling back here. Anyway, guys, remember we're gonna do a update later on our Discord, so the party is not over. The party is not over here on our Hunter channel. So remember, we're gonna do update on our Discord for all the stock that we discuss here on our unicorn hunt. So join us because the party is not over. Remember, there's always opportunity in the market. So if you don't catch with us the stocks that we talk about today, remember that we're gonna have another ones for tomorrow. LASE was our unicorn for today, guys. What a nice pump for this one. We entered around the 230 and we exited first around the 280, then the $4. Just on the market open because we expected the sell-off. Anyway, guys, great hunt. And hopefully we're gonna have another unicorn for tomorrow. And happy Eid for all Muslim and Arabic watchers or people who trading with us. And of course, remember, don't overtrade, let the price come to you and let it, and never run after the price, of course. And thank you for watching, guys. We see you tomorrow as usual, not as usual, but 2 hours before the market open. So 7:30 a.m. if you live in the United States or Pacific time, and 1:30 if you live in Europe. So thank you for watching, guys, and see you by tomorrow.